In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my Best Buy cart instantly. We're keeping this quick, clear, and practical. You'll learn the fastest path to your cart and account activity using Best Buy's official site, so you can confirm what's ready to purchase and what's already in motion without digging through menus. First, open your browser and head straight to the official Best Buy website. To avoid fake pages, type the address manually into the address bar and look for the padlock icon to confirm you're on a secure connection. If the site asks for your region, pick the correct country to make sure prices and availability are accurate. This simple start is important because being on the official site ensures your cart, account, and order information loads correctly and updates in real time. Once the homepage loads, look for the order status link. On desktop, you'll typically find it near the top of the page alongside account or help links. On mobile, tap the menu icon and locate order status under the account section. This link is a reliable shortcut into your account activity. It brings you right to the area where Best Buy tracks what you're purchasing, what's shipping or ready for pickup, and the status of anything you recently checked out. It's also on the same header as your cart icon, so you're just a tap away from viewing the items you've set aside to buy. If you're already signed in, the order status page will load your recent orders and updates automatically. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to sign in before you can see the full details. Shopping as a guest? You can use the guest lookup on that page by entering the required order information to view status. Viewing this page is a quick way to confirm that nothing is stuck at checkout and that your current shopping activity matches what you expect. If anything looks off, a simple page refresh after signing in usually syncs everything. A few quick tips for speed and accuracy. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you have more than one. If the page looks outdated, refresh it or clear your browser cache and try again. On mobile data, give the page a second to load fully so prices and availability update. And whenever possible, avoid checking sensitive account pages on public Wi-Fi. That's it. Go to Best Buy's official site, use the order status link, and you'll land exactly where you need to confirm your shopping activity and get to your cart instantly.